Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. So today I'm actually unboxing a hard drive, external hard drive. I bought this for my daughter's Xbox, and it's really just to move some of her games to external while she's playing on an internal. It's not a fancy one though. It is I think it is a 500 gig. Let me just check. Yeah, 500 gig, and the naming is actually WIKD. So I'm not sure, I've never heard of this brand, but let's see. Like I said, it's really just to move some of her games to save some space. So let's quickly have a look what it looks like. I bought it on Takealot, and I think it was about 700 bucks if I remember correctly, 7 or 800 bucks, I can't remember. Obviously with an external hard drive there's nothing much that you can really expect, so let's just do this. Let's see, it's basic. Let's do this. There we go. So as always it comes standard, a cable which you just plug into your console. There you go. That's quite nice. What I do like is there's actually an adapter. This is very cool. USB type USB-C, I think this is. So that's very cool. I think that's quite nice. You know, it's this small little things that actually counts. And then here's the hard drive. Let's have a look. Yeah, there you go. There you can see it's WIKD. Like I said, I've never heard of this brand before. Really simple. And then there's instruction manual as well. Yeah, and it is also a USB type 3. USB 3. So it should be 5 gigs per second. You never really get this 5 gigs per second, but nevertheless, there you go. Let me just check. That's it. So I'm going to format this one as a external storage for her Xbox. I hope you enjoy this. Like always, unfiltered, unedited. There you go. That's it. Thanks guys. Cheers.